It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. But let me say before we part, so much of me's inspired from what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a soundtrack in my heart. And now, whatever way our stories end, I know that mine is brighter now because you're my friend. Pak! Kala nyo dyan, may best actor experience tong mamsi nyo. Pero kidding aside, here's some real talk. Malamang, ang mangyayari nito is that you'll go back to the way life has been before CVAP. And that's okay. You now have a new set of tools for your journey moving forward. And dito na maghihiwalay ang mga landas natin. This is a fact that all marshals will face in our line of duty. Police yarn. So, ito a catch para magpasalamat. Sa dinami-dami ng pwede nyo pagbuhusan ng energy, oras at atensyon, CVAP ang pinili nyo. And kahit na the struggle is real dahil hindi naman tumitigil ang kanya-kanya nating mga buhay, pinili nyong itawid hanggang sa dulo. Kaya, salamat. Goodness knows, I've not been the perfect guide with all the things I know I could have done, but couldn't. Or didn't. Pero goodness also knows that I did try to do good by you all. Kaya, salamat sa pagtitiwala. So, eto na tayo as fellow certified voice artists. I hope na when you look back on your days with CVAP, may makita kayong dahilan para kumpitin. Naway kahit isang bagay man lang from your time with us, mandala nyo from now on. I wish you all the very best in the world, babies. At sa huli, itich ang Mamshi Marshall nyo, Foz Yanazar, the voice of stories and legends, na nag-iwan ng mga katagang walang dahi-dahilan sa saloobing kailangang mapakinggan. Favush! Oh, ano? Nag-aabang ka ng after credit. Movie yarn. Pero sa mga interesadong mag-volunteer sa CVAP, may ibang mundo on the other side of the program. And may mga kwento a catch. Pero anyway, eto na yung ending. Totoo na to. Vapush!